Now we shall discuss and revise about the process of feeding and digestion in amoeba. The taking in of food by amoeba is an interesting fact. So now we would move on to this concept. As we know that amoeba is a unicellular microscopic organism. As it is having a single cell, so it is called as unicellular organism. This organism is bound by a cell membrane and has a dense cytoplasm with a dense round nucleus and few vacuoles. And not only that, amoeba doesn't have a definite shape. It constantly changes its shape and position as it pushes out one or more finger-like projections called pseudopodia or false feet. Now, how does nutrition in amoeba takes place? Yes, it takes place in 5 steps. They are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Now let us see how different steps of nutrition takes place in amoeba. The first step is ingestion. So what do you mean by ingestion? It is intake of food by an organism. When any food particle reaches near amoeba, it stretches its cell membrane towards the prey of food particle and produce 2 finger-like projections. And these projections are called false foot or pseudopodia, which are temporary extensions of cell membrane, which are useful for capturing the prey. After that, it forms a food vacuole in which the food particle is encaptured.